Hi patrons, showing you another fatty with all the works starting from the front. AeeDEA Batwing with a small size glass. Then the bike has 360-degree rotatable highway foot pegs. It's got our signature yoga backrest, and of course the whole pannier kit and the top touring box, along with speakers mounted inside the box, and also speakers mounted inside the Batwing, as you can see here. So let me give you a quite 360 degree. This is a big size 80-liter box, so it has got a lot of space inside this. As you can see, the speaker, after the speaker mounts as well, it's completely waterproof, so no water can seep inside, and everything that you have in the box is all safe. Hope you guys like it. The bike looks really classy. Thank you.